Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today in this video I'll try to share with you actually Google junk removal tutorial web result. Actually most of the time people say that actually do have the experience with the vocal service, junk removal, cleaning service, plumbing, roofing. So that's why I wanna show you the create live result for my client. This is the use the client. Okay, so don't be like, let's go. So at the first time, I want to go to my dashboard. I don't want to show you my QR everything. Okay. So this is my actual junk car removal actual service. So he's getting so pretty good. You can think like this is not good, this is not bad. This depends on you. Okay. So I'm just showing it to you. Like if I showing with you like how many please how many conversion you're receiving, then this time you will be understand like maybe almost 3 calls you're receiving, and the other hands your total conversion received is the 14th. This one is the least submit, okay, and this is the you can see in total in the 21 clicks and cost per conversion is 16.91. If I show you the average CPC, then you will see this is our average CPC, okay. So that is the actually scenario. Actually, most of the time people is not trusting, not actually trust build. So that's why I'm showing. You can see this is my image. This is my client. So I will try to security purpose the hide this my account number, like client account number. Okay. So thank you so much. If you need like Janker removal, local service, roofing, plumbing, cleaning, mobile trash service, this type of service need. And also if you need like e-commerce, don't be weak. You just feel free, just message me. I will try to help you. Okay. So thank you so much. Take care. See you in another video. Bye bye.